Right after a car accident, you may be wondering if you should seek legal counsel. Well, Valley attorney Joseph Brown, he has a lot of experience in this arena, and he is here to share some of his knowledge with all of you. I mean, we're dealing with the emotion of the accident. Maybe there's damage. There's so many things that run through our head right away. You didn't start as an attorney. What did you start as?
I did not. I was formerly an insurance adjuster, so I was on that side. I was trained on that side. I was an adjuster for several years before and while I went to law school. Never thought I would do personal injury. I hated it on that side. I was not the best for the business.
Because you felt compassion.
I did. I feel compassion, I felt empathy for what people were going through. I believe things are a little bit more cut and dry, black and white than I think insurance companies do. And they do that on purpose because obviously the more they can put things in the gray, the less money you have to pay.
Right. And as an insurance adjuster, your boss probably said, you know what, you're not cut out for this. So you went into personal injury. What does a personal injury lawyer do?
You know, I represent anybody who's been injured in an accident, anybody who's been hurt, not just accidents, but when we do dog bites, you know, slip and falls, other type of injury accidents. I handled an explosion case a few years ago. So I look at things like that, and more importantly, I help clients. If someone comes in and they've been in an accident, one of the biggest things they have is like, I have a high deductible plan. You know, I'm not sure I can afford to go to the doctor. We can find doctors that help them, that will wait to be paid so they can get the treatment they need and not miss work. You know, as much as they need to and things like that.
Do you recommend a person, regardless of the type of injury they may have or regardless of the severity of the crash, do you advise us to get an attorney? You
know, I always advise you to at least get a free consultation. This week, I settled a case for, you know, like $6,000, $7,000 a couple days ago, and I settled a case for over $1 million.
Wow.
So, you know, there's a wide variety in there, and I think I added benefit to both of them significantly.
And I think what people don't factor into an accident is the emotional, we talked about the emotional trauma that it not only puts on you, but the stress of the entire family. And having someone take those calls, right, and feel those calls, because you're going to start getting phone calls right away.
You're going to have tons of phone calls. You're going to have bills in the mail from the doctor, from the ambulance, you know, from the ER physician. And having someone who you can bounce stuff off of, who can explain what the process is, walk you through it, really helps a lot. And I think it also helps just take, like you said, take the stress off so you can focus on getting better and taking care of your family.
Right. And let's talk about wrong way drivers. It's been in the news a lot lately. What kind of advice can you give folks out there who may find themselves a victim of a wrong way driver? If
you've been in one of these accidents, you really need to seek legal counsel because someone needs to fully investigate the situation. What really caused this wrong way driving incident? Was there bad signage? Is there streets not clearly marked? Is there a design issue? You know, several years back, there was a design issue on the I-10 with the crossover cases, and the state ended up paying nearly $40 million for somebody who had passed away. Wow. So there are issues out there that you need a good lawyer to look into every aspect of those.
And congratulations today, your firm launching some new technology. Tell us about that.
We are. This is a big day for Accident Law Group, for ALG. We're launching Star ALG from your mobile phone. So you can dial Star ALG from any mobile phone in Pinal County, Maricopa County, and it'll ring directly to us.
Wow.
So you don't need to worry about remembering a phone number.
That's right. Just have it on your app.
Exactly.
Thank you so much. Let's give you some information. Accident Law Group, they have 2 locations for your convenience. 3923 South McClintock Drive is the first location, Suite 400, and that is in Tempe. Or you can visit their firm at 15650 North Black Canyon Highway, Suite 155B, and that is in Phoenix. The number to call 602-262-4ALG or visit accidentlawgroup.com.